来看南非一只4栋重的非洲象查理，8月底要搬厝，伊退休啊要搬去一间私人的动物园。专家是表示讲象真敏感，因无想要使用麻醉蛇，所以甲伊培养感情，用食食来射这只象行入去人仔内底，用卡车甲伊载走，一切是拢真顺利。嘛望讲退休的查理会当好好快乐的生活。
查理沿着铺好的草，哪行哪食，就安尼一步一步来到拖拉机的后壁。关键就伫这个时阵，专家等一支红菜头给查理，这就是伊上爱的。查理行过去，就安尼行入去大型运输人仔的卡车。今年42岁的查理，总算是开始退休的生活。过去伊有40年的时间，拢是封关起来的。
He was born in Zimbabwe. He was caught from the wild to be elephant back safari. After this, they took him to a cirque here in South Africa, and after a while and some year in a cirque, he became to be resident at Pretoria Zoo with other elephant. And within this period, he lost his partners at the zoo. He became to be lonely elephant.
野生动物的专家讲，象是真敏感的动物。查理伫个普勒托利亚动物园看起来是真无快乐，应该到爱互伊换一个环境、换一个心情的时阵啊。但是要搬遮尔重，而且阁遮尔老的象并无简单。因去找捌搬过世界上上高端的象——亚洲象卡瓦南的专家哈里尔·珀斯来出动，在卖使用麻醉针的前提之下，先和查理来培养感情。本地准是讲爱几个月的时间，但无想到2礼拜，伊就互查理真信任嘛，对人咧甲叫拢有反应。那伊主动过来，就有小奖励，譬如讲会互伊金瓜、木瓜、红菜头。
Because he was used to depend on us human for everything, for the food, for the care, for absolutely everything. Now he needs to learn what is to be an elephant. Elephants are intelligent animals, and we should not keep them locked behind bars.
在拖拉机内面的查理是经过几点钟的车程了后，先到防载去一个私人动物保护区的新厝。对一只老象来讲，这算是强度真大的移转。接落来，查理会伫一个区域单独去适应几礼拜，等伊安定，就会当行入去野生的象群内面，享受伊的后半生。公司新闻5文林编译。